The BJP is all set to launch its mega farmers outreach campaign today in Bengal. BJP President JP Nadda will be kick-starting the farmers outreach program from the Katwa village in Burdwan district. Under the Ek Muto Chal drive, meaning a handful of rice, Nadda will collect rice from farmers. Now, the BJP set a target of approaching 74 lakh farmers across 48,000 villages in 23 districts under this program. The BJP campaign will continue till January 24th. BJP workers will go door to door all over the state seeking alms from members of the peasant families. The collected grain will be utilized then to prepare meals in community kitchens for farmers and the poor. The Saffron Party's campaign is aimed at countering Mamata Banerjee. Top BJP leaders, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah have accused Mamata of late of blocking central schemes for farmers. And let's cut across to an exclusive conversation with BJP leader Kailash Vijayvargiya.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस कह रही है कि दिल्ली में कुछ और बंगाल में कुछ, इसको कैसे देखते हैं और क्या कहेंगे इसमें?
देखिए, तृणमूल का जनाधार यहाँ से खसक गया है। खुद तृणमूल यहाँ पर सीपीएम से लड़ रही है, कांग्रेस से लड़ रही है, वहाँ जाकर उसका समर्थन करती है सीपीएम और कांग्रेस के आंदोलन का। तो तृणमूल ने बताया कि उनकी स्थिति क्या है। हमारा तो बिल्कुल साफ एकदम स्टैंड क्लियर है कि हम कृषि बिल के समर्थन में हैं। हम कृषकों का विकास करना चाहते हैं, हम गांव का विकास करना चाहते हैं। हमारा तो टीएमसी बताएं अपनी स्थिति। यहाँ तो वो सीपीएम का विरोध करती है, कांग्रेस का विरोध करती है और वहाँ जाकर आंदोलन का समर्थन करती है, जो कि सीपीएम और कांग्रेस के द्वारा लीड किया जा रहा है।
किसानों के साथ क्या क्या करेंगे? खाना खाएंगे, एक मुट्ठी चावल के जरिए क्या संदेश है?
देखिए, सामाजिक समरसता का सबसे बड़ा एक कार्यक्रम है, क्योंकि हम किसानों से अनाज लेंगे और उसकी खिचड़ी बनाकर हम सब लोग बैठकर खाएंगे। एक तरीके से बहुत सामाजिक समरसता का एक बहुत बड़ा कार्यक्रम है।
और आखिरी सवाल, पिछली बार जब सुरक्षा में काफ़ी दिक्कतें आई थी, जेपी नड्डा जी के दौरे पर हमला भी हुआ था, इस बार सुरक्षा की क्या व्यवस्था है पार्टी और सरकार की?
देखिए, हमारे नेता की सुरक्षा यदि सरकार नहीं करेगी तो हम करेंगे और हमें विश्वास है कि पिछली घटना से सरकार भी सबक लेगी और इसकी पुनरावृत्ति नहीं होगी।
जहाँ एक और सबक लेने की बात है तो वहीं दूसरी ओर तैयारी पूरी किसानों के जरिए अपना संदेश पहुंचाने की। कैमरा पर्सन तापस बेरी के साथ मनोज्ञा लोईवाल, कटवा।
So Manogya getting us an exclusive conversation with Kailash Vijayvargiya, the BJP Bengal in charge, who's come out to talk about how important this visit is for the Bharatiya Janata Party. JP Nadda there in Burdwan will be also going ahead and collecting handfuls of rice from different farmers. He's going to be having lunch also at a farmer's household. There's also going to be a mega public rally, which will no doubt be a show of strength, but also important to highlight here that this is the first visit by the BJP president after the attack on his convoy the last time that he was in Bengal. So security being beefed up this time around for JP Nadda to ensure there's no repeat of what happened last time around. And as we get you all the details of what's really expected of JP Nadda's visit here, let me take this across to Manogya Loiwal, who's joining us live from Burdwan. Manogya, we just played out the conversation that you had with Kailash Vijayvargiya. They're focusing, of course, on Bengal, but also, using this as an opportunity to send out a message across the nation with regards to farmers and this farmer outreach campaign that they are kicking off. Manogya, can you hear me?
Well, yes, it's a very, very pertinent day that BJP has been trying to send across a message to the farmers, not only in Bengal, but also across the country at a time when they've been facing massive protests in Delhi. Remember, with the farmers sitting on a strike and a dharna, or rather the protests that have been there across the Singhu border and surrounding areas of Delhi. But here in Bengal, it's a time when the BJP leaders are making an outreach, absolute outreach at the ground level in the state, reaching out to more than 40,000 people, not just via the Krishak opportunities that would be creating, but also the fact that with the farmers, the 74 lakh farmers of the state that will be approached to over a period of next fortnight, by reaching out to them and also borrowing, or rather asking and seeking blessings as well as a fistful of rice from the people that they will be approaching. And why Burdwan? Burdwan is known to be the rice bowl of India, of Bengal especially, where there has been massive paddy cultivation, one of the highest paddy producing districts of the state. Hence the selection and the message too.
Manogya, just give us a sense of really what's on the agenda besides, of course, this massive farmer outreach campaign that JP Nadda is going to be kicking off in Bengal. We understand he's also going to be addressing a public rally, having lunch at a farmer's household.
Well, yes, there's a public rally to be held in Katwa just after he visits this temple. Now, this is a Radha Govind temple, which is 550 years old. But the message that is being sent across from here is not only to the vote bank that the party seeks to address in the state, but also a reach out, a massive reach out of meeting the farmers, sitting with them, having meals with them, and of course, borrowing rice from them. But amidst all this, there are two important things that the party wants to convey at the ground level in Bardhaman and across the state. Number one is that they are standing by the farmers in solidarity, and they expect the same from the farmers too in the state. And number two is that the national leadership will not even think twice before visiting Bengal and making that all-out effort to ensure that they are able to garner votes and support in the impending elections.
All right, Manogya, thank you for getting us all those details. So JP Nadda expected to visit the temple there that Manogya is at, after which he will be going ahead with that campaign of collecting rice from farmers. There'll be a public rally, which will be no doubt a show of strength for the BJP. And then he will also be having lunch at a farmer's household. So a very crucial visit there by JP Nadda to Bengal.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.